Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the INDATA Project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today we're going to be talking about an interesting switch called the HoneyBee, which is a proximity switch. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Hi, my name is Blake Allee. I'm the Demo and Loan Specialist with the INDATA Project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today I'll be showing you the HoneyBee proximity switch. This is a HoneyBee proximity switch, and proximity switches are nice because you can trigger different things using this switch without actually having to touch it. That's nice for people who maybe have limited physical movements or don't have a lot of strength. With this proximity switch, you can still activate things, but you don't actually have to put the force that you would to activate a normal switch. To turn it on, it's just here on the right-hand side. And when you turn it on, it initially starts at the 1-inch mark, but you can also do a touch option, a 3-inch option, and a 6-inch option. So what we'll do is we'll hover over this little red area here, which is a beam that once you hover over that, it activates the switch to whatever device you have it set up to. So we'll try that right now for the dog. So that activates him. If you want to switch from different options of the 1-inch, 3-inch, 6-inch, or touch, you just use these arrows right here, and a light will come up when you choose the different options. This button down here is just to calibrate the device. It's not something that you necessarily have to use all the time, but if you feel like your options are kind of getting a little off, like maybe the 3 inch isn't quite 3 inches or something, you can use that button to recalibrate the HoneyBee. It comes with an 1/8 inch jack here, so you can use that to hook to any of your toys or computer devices that you want to use with that switch. And another cool thing about the HoneyBee is it comes with this silicone boot, which is nice because it can be a form of protection for your device, but also if you're worried about somebody possibly touching these buttons, accidentally calibrating the device on accident, you can turn it around like that, and then only the sensor beam is showing instead of the buttons. So that's just one more nice feature about the HoneyBee. And it does come with a CR2032 battery, so if you ever notice that it's starting to kind of not work or not wanting to power on, it's probably just time for you to swap the battery. And once again, that's the HoneyBee proximity switch.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the INDATA Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.